Hey, what's happening, everybody? This is Royce from Metal and welcome to my channel. I know it's been a little while. I took some time off and much needed break away from the internet, and here we go. This is not a 1/64 scale video, so I'm sorry to disappoint some of you guys. I have a 1/18 scale car here, and you guys may remember from when I did the Koenig video the problem I had with this. When it came in the mail, you can probably see the front's missing the mesh on the front wheels there. The funny thing is, I love the GT Spirit. I think for the price, these are really impressive. Like the paint finish on them is stunning, and the amount of details and the photo etched parts and everything for the money. But it's kind of laughable. This one came with a quality control card. Quite laughable when you think about it, that someone missed this, and it's not on just one side, it's on both sides. It's missing the gold mesh there in the front. Now thankfully the seller off of eBay, he sells, I forget his name on there, I think it's like TSM GT Spirit or something, I don't know, but I think he sells a lot of them on eBay. Anyway, he has great customer service, so he was able to after a few months of dealing with trying to get the wheels from China, we finally got them. And I guess the first ones that came in were the backs or something. I don't know what happened, but he eventually got me new fronts. The problem is I'm not sure exactly how we're going to do this, how I'm going to pop these off. Would it be easier to just go ahead and try to replace that center section? Maybe, I don't know, because I've never done one of these. These are a resin cast car, and they are kind of obviously fragile. Here it's saying it's number 354 out of 1750 of these Koenigs. So we're gonna see here if I can get these front wheels off. I have a bad feeling. It looks like they're metal axles, but I have a bad feeling about this. This could go wrong very quickly. I'm not 100% confident here with this, but we're gonna give it a shot here. As you guys know, I have plenty of 1/18 scale wheel mod videos on my channel, but I don't have anything for these resin cars. I've had a few people ask me about doing the resin cars. I think pretty much, I gotta get a flashlight and shine in there. I can't see what's going on. I think pretty much they're like everything else. Need to kind of see what's going on here. Okay, they're just pressed in. They're just what they are. They're just pressure fitted onto the axle stub, so it's not a real big deal. It's just, did they use any glue? I have no idea. We're gonna find out. I don't think they did, but this is kind of nerve-wracking because it doesn't seem like it wants to come off of there. How hard it would be to take the mesh out. That might be the easier option. Let's just see here. It probably is what happened before. Yeah, I think that's they're photo etched brass, I think. And probably they popped out, but they weren't laying in a box, which is really weird. I don't know. I don't know what happened, but they weren't there when I got the car, that's for sure. And thankfully the seller had good customer service, because I even waited a couple months. I never opened the box up, and then he was very cool about it. I'm sure they have many other issues. There, it's coming off, thankfully, this side. It's slowly, I'm just kind of using a small straight blade screwdriver and kind of just keep going from one side to the other. careful messing around here with them. I'm already marked up the, put a little piece of tape on. I'm already marking that up there on the bottom. Well, the wheels sure don't want to come off there, that's for sure. Well, this is not good. It doesn't want to come off, and I may end up having to snip that axle. So much for that. Okay. All right, so we finally got that off of there. That one kind of got bitched up, but now we can pull the axle out. Oh my, is that tight. See, these are much just like any other cheapy 1/18 scale car. It has the, it's knurled on the ends of the axle stub. Now the fun part's gonna be getting this side off. It's probably, let me stick it in my vise here, and well, I could try pliers first, I guess. Yeah, usually if you just twist it, yeah, it came off. So you just gotta hold and twist. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and stick this back together. And I'm not using any kind of glue or anything. Just gotta be careful putting this back. So if you just do a twist motion as you're screwing it on, kind of do like a push and twist, should be fine. We can touch that up while we have it apart. I just have a flat black paint marker. Doesn't seem to be flowing though very well. Like I said earlier, these are fragile, so you're gonna most likely leave a couple scratches. All right, good as new. I even have these little emblems I got off of eBay a long time ago. That one there would be perfect for the hood, since being a Koenig, they weren't allowed to have the Ferrari logo anywhere. But since it's mine, I could do what I want. I might put a little logo there, but we'll see. Okay, so there we go. Good as new. Got the gold BBS wheels back on. Paint jobs on is phenomenal on these, and the details are great. I think for the money, I think I paid I don't know, it was like $70 I think for this. Got all photo etched metal pieces on, like the black grills on there, and I think these are really cool. I prefer the later evolution though to this one, this Testarossa, but I wish they would make that one, but they do not. So there you go. So thanks for watching me put this back together. Thankfully I didn't break anything. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and come back for more. I swear I'll be back with more Hot Wheels and 1/64 scale videos. I know it's just been a while since I've done any 1/18 scale videos, and a few of you asked me about it. So there you go. There's a resin one for you. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. All right, bye now.